Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about how to make money online, the ultimate guide from a successful YouTuber. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding online income streams and building personal brand. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In today's digital age, the idea of making money online has transformed from a mere trend into a viable pathway for financial independence. With the internet at our fingertips, countless opportunities await those willing to explore them. In this video, we'll dive into various online income streams from freelancing and e-commerce to affiliate marketing and content creation. Each method offers unique advantages and challenges, making it essential for aspiring online entrepreneurs to understand their options. We aim to provide you with engaging insights and practical tips that can help you navigate this exciting landscape. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time online business, knowing the right strategies can make all the difference. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to leverage the digital world for financial success. So let's embark on this journey together and unlock the potential of making money online. Understanding online income streams. When it comes to making money online, it's crucial to understand the different types of income streams available. Broadly, these can be categorized into passive income and active income. Passive income involves earning money with minimal ongoing effort, such as through investments or royalties, while active income requires continuous work, like freelancing or providing services. Each has its implications for how you manage your time and resources. Now, let's explore some popular online income sources. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products, while freelancing offers opportunities to leverage your skills in writing, design, or programming. E-commerce, on the other hand, lets you sell products directly to consumers through platforms like Shopify or Etsy. As you consider these options, take a moment to assess your skills and interests. Choosing the right income stream that aligns with your strengths can lead to greater satisfaction and success in your online endeavors. Building a personal brand. Establishing a personal brand is essential for standing out in the crowded online marketplace. The key to a successful brand lies in authenticity and consistency. When you present yourself genuinely, your audience is more likely to connect with you on a deeper level. Consistency in your messaging, visuals, and values helps reinforce your brand identity, making it memorable. To create a professional online presence, start by optimizing your social media profiles and website. Use high-quality images, a clear bio, and relevant content that reflects your expertise and personality. Platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter can be powerful tools for showcasing your brand and reaching your target audience. Engagement is another critical aspect of building trust and loyalty. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that encourages interaction. By fostering a two-way relationship with your audience, you not only enhance your brand's credibility, but also cultivate a community that supports your journey. Creating quality content. Producing high-quality content is vital for attracting and retaining an audience in today's digital landscape. Quality content not only engages viewers, but also establishes your authority in your niche. There are various formats to consider, including videos, blogs, and podcasts, each offering unique ways to connect with your audience. Videos can be visually engaging, blogs allow for in-depth exploration of topics, and podcasts provide a convenient way for people to consume content on the go. To truly resonate with your audience, Focus on delivering value and relevance. Understand their needs and interests and create content that addresses those areas. This approach fosters loyalty and encourages viewers to return for more. Additionally, consistency is key in content creation. Develop a content plan and schedule that outlines what you'll produce and when. This not only helps you stay organized, but also sets expectations for your audience, making them more likely to engage with your content regularly. Monetization strategies. Exploring various monetization strategies is essential for generating income online. One popular method is affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting products or services through unique links. Ad revenue is another common source, especially for content creators on platforms like YouTube, where ads are displayed during videos. Sponsorships can also provide significant income as brands pay creators to promote their products to their audience. Additionally, selling your own products, whether digital or physical, can be a lucrative way to monetize your skills and expertise. To ensure financial stability, it's wise to diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source can be risky, so combining affiliate marketing, ad revenue, sponsorships, and product sales can create a more robust financial foundation. Successful YouTubers often employ a mix of these tactics. For instance, many creators start with ad revenue, then branch into affiliate marketing and sponsorships while also launching their own merchandise. This multifaceted approach not only maximizes earnings, but also enhances audience engagement. Leveraging social media. Effectively using social media platforms is crucial for promoting your online ventures and reaching your target audience. The first step is to choose the right platforms based on where your audience spends their time. For instance, Instagram and TikTok are great for visual content, while LinkedIn is ideal for professional networking. Understanding your audience's preferences will help you tailor your approach. Creating engaging posts is essential for capturing attention. Use eye-catching visuals, compelling captions, and storytelling techniques to connect with your followers. Don't forget to utilize relevant hashtags to increase your visibility and attract new viewers. Research trending hashtags in your niche to maximize your reach. Collaboration with other creators can also significantly expand your audience. Partnering with influencers or fellow content creators allows you to tap into their follower base, creating a win-win situation. By sharing each other's content or co-hosting events, you can foster community and enhance your brand's presence across social media platforms. Analyzing performance and growth. To ensure your online ventures are thriving, it's essential to analyze your performance and make necessary adjustments. Start by utilizing tools like Google Analytics for the tracking website traffic and social media insights for monitoring engagement across platforms. These tools provide valuable data on how your audience interacts with your content, helping you identify what works and what doesn't. Setting measurable goals is crucial for tracking your progress. Whether it's increasing website visits, boosting social media followers, or enhancing sales, having clear objectives allows you to evaluate your success. Regularly reviewing your progress against these goals will help you stay on track and motivated. Adapting your strategies based on performance data is equally important. If certain content types or marketing tactics aren't yielding results, don't hesitate to pivot. Experiment with new approaches and continuously refine your methods to align with your audience's preferences. By staying flexible and responsive to data, you can foster growth and ensure the long-term success of your online endeavors. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored various strategies for making money online, highlighting the importance of understanding different income streams such as affiliate marketing, freelancing, and e-commerce. We discussed how building a personal brand and creating quality content can significantly enhance your online presence. Additionally, we emphasize the value of leveraging social media to promote your ventures and the necessity of analyzing performance to make informed adjustments. As you embark on your online journey, remember that persistence and adaptability are key. The digital landscape is ever-changing, and being willing to learn and pivot will set you apart from the competition. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more resources to support aspiring online entrepreneurs like you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.